As we watch the vicious seagulls approach the pretzels on the beach, we notice they are not friendly, they are fucking ravenous seagulls. And now, the wild, diarrhea beach seagulls begin the fucking vast pretzel dance.
I'm just minding my own business. I'm gonna walk over here and get this motherfucking pretzel, twat.
Yo, B. Let me get some of that pretzel, son.
Bitch, get the fuck away from my pretzel.
You will see the competition between the seagulls is fierce. As you see now, the male seagull walks around, harvesting pretzels from the sand. The male notices the female approaching again, but the look is enough to deter the smaller female from encroaching on the male's pretzel territory.
Oh man, there's pretzels everywhere. Oh, but there's one. Oh, yeah, oh, there's another one. But, is she coming over here again? I hope not. Oh, that's a good fucking pretzel. Oh, they just do another. Tasty ass pretzel. Wait a minute. Wait, I thought I told you. I thought I told you. No. Wait a minute. I told you, get the fuck out of here.
As time passes, the male seagull has settled the dispute. He continues to consume his pretzels, undisputed for the time being, until...
Hey, come on, man. Let me just have one of those. Come on,
Bitch,
man.
I told you, I Kentucky Fried Chicken your ass.
We've just witnessed the intense competition of the Nantucket seagulls for pretzels. Until next time, on the Bullshit Nature Channel.